Hello, welcome back. Hello, welcome back. Today, we're going to be looking at something interesting. Hello, welcome back. Today, we're going to be looking at something interesting. I want you to pay attention to what you are seeing right now on the screen. What we're about to do is to show you how to make a command prompt. How to make a sprite say something and then that takes an action. Another sprite takes the action. Let's watch. So when I click on the flag, it says I command you to rotate, and then it starts rotating. And then it says after 5 seconds stop rotating, then it stops rotating. This is going to be our next project. All right, stay tuned and see you. So we'll click on new. Just to create a project like this, we'll click on new, and of course this is a brand new project. So we're gonna take this out. We want two things on the screen, 2 or 3 major things on the screen. So I'll be using a sun. Yes, this. The reason why I'm using this will really interest you. The reason why I'm using this is because it has a lot of layers. You can see right here it has a lot of layers, which will help us in the rotation process. The next thing we want to use is a stick. Stick is called, yes, a wand. So we're going to be using this, and we can leave it like this, but I feel we should make this wand a large wand. So we'll turn it into, let's say, 250, and then you see how big it is. We can take out this star right here by clicking on it, making sure you're clicking on it, and then comes to costume, come to the star, and delete. It's gone. So the next thing we want to do is to move this upward, or come here and just get it right in at the center. Simple. Or come to sun, bring it down, take this down. Here we go. Okay. So this will be what will rotate while the wand serves as a stick holding the sun. Well, you can say that this is a rotating flower, or whatever you want to call it, or fan, or whatever. All right, it's going to be an interesting project. So the next thing you want to do is to add a wizard. Maybe this or any wizard of your choice, but I think the last one I used was I think a woman. One minute, please. Somewhere right here. The last sprite I used somewhere here. Aha, Wanda. I used Wanda because she looks kind of an interesting woman. This is more like a grandmother. So to move her to face the customized flower or rotating flower, I would click on flip horizontally, and then it will be facing the flower. All right, if I want it to increase or become larger, I come here and then turn it into 200, and then it becomes large. Or if it's too much, we can say 160. Okay, so that's good enough. So let's start coding. The first thing we want to do is for this woman called Wanda to speak to this, and then this listen to that command and then rotate. That's what we are going to do. Okay, but first thing first, let's make this rotate on one spot. So we come here and say, come to event. When the flag is clicked, come here, Go to motion and then take this. That's it. When we click on this flag, it automatically rotates. It simply rotates. So we stop that. We can see that it's working. Okay. So, but we don't want that. We want it to rotate by Wonder saying rotate. All right. So we come to Wonder, click on it. Make sure you're clicking on Wonder. And then the next thing you want to do is to say, when the flag is clicked, it would broadcast this message. And what's the message? Click on new message, click on the middle icon here, click on the drop down message 1, just click on it. It will bring down this drop down, then you say new message, and the new message will say rotate. When you click on OK, that's a broadcast, and this will need to receive that broadcast. This will need to receive that command. Okay, so let's come to sun. So we use this instead of when the flag is clicked. I'll say it again. Instead of using when the flag is clicked, we're going to use when I receive rotate. When I receive rotate. Take this. So when I receive rotate, you see it's automatically there. When I receive rotate, I would turn 15 degrees. If this is all you do, it will only rotate once. It will only spin once. It will only spin 15 degrees and stop. But we want it to be continuous, so we use forever. We use forever, and then let's try. Click on Wonder and then click on Go. Now, it didn't tell us that Wonder said anything. It just started rotating. It receives the broadcast, but we want to be sure it said something. So we're going to click on Wonder and then come to say, looks, and then say hello for 2 seconds. Instead of hello, we're going to click on it and then put I command you to rotate. I command you to rotate. So this will be displayed on the screen. I command you to rotate, and then it will rotate. Let's put this up. So this command comes first before the broadcast goes out. Is it clear? And then this will receive that broadcast. But hold on a minute. We need to tell this guy to wait for 1 second before rotating. So when you receive rotate, wait for 0.4 seconds, turn 15 degrees. Okay, so we click on Wonder and then we go. Command it to rotate, and then it starts rotating. It's that simple. It's that simple. We use short codes to achieve the exact thing on our mind. I hope that is clear. This is a very simple and practical project that I'm sure any child can learn, just like you. People around the world are learning these things, and I believe that you can get better in it. Just practice, and then you become perfect in these things that I'm showing you right here. All right, this will be the end of this episode. I'll see you in the next video.